In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do credit card refund QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and how to record the details so your books reflect the refund correctly. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your company. Give the page a second to load your dashboard. This ensures you're working in the right company file and have the most up-to-date menus visible. Next, look for the Create or New button, sometimes shown as a plus icon at the top of your screen. From that menu, choose Credit Card Credit. This is the specific form QuickBooks uses to record money being credited back to a credit card. Think of it as the reverse of a charge. Instead of increasing what you owe on that card, it reduces the balance. Now make sure you choose the exact credit card account that received the refund. If you have multiple cards connected, pick the one that the merchant actually credited. Selecting the wrong account can throw off your balances and reconciliation later. If a payee or vendor is involved, select them as well. Choosing credit card as the payment method keeps the form consistent with how the refund came back to you. From here, fill out the form carefully. Enter the refund date so it lands in the correct period. In the category or item details, use the same expense account or product service you used on the original charge. Matching the category keeps your reports clear and prevents duplicate or misleading totals. Type the refund amount as a positive number and add a memo describing the reason, such as a returned item or a price adjustment. If you have a receipt or a credit memo from the merchant, attach it to the transaction for clean documentation. You can also set the location or class if you track those, keeping your reporting consistent with the original purchase. Before saving, take a moment to review everything: the credit card account, payee, date, category, and amount. Small mistakes here can affect your statement reconciliation, so it's worth a final glance. When you're confident it's accurate, select Save or Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the credit and reduce the balance on the selected card. That's it. You've recorded a credit card refund in QuickBooks the right way. Using the credit card credit form, choosing the correct card, and mirroring the original category are the keys to keeping your books accurate and your reports easy to trust. If you repeat this process for future refunds, your workflow will stay fast, consistent, and audit ready.